Now that we've downloaded the AdventureWorks script and opened the file in Management Studio, the instructions are at the top of the file. So number 1 says to enable full text search on your SQL Server instance. Now the server I downloaded was the Express version of SQL Server 2017, and it actually didn't come with it. So you can do a select, this is a select full text service property, and in there put is full text installed, and execute this statement, and mine returns 0, and that means that it's not installed. And I didn't want to go through a new installation process, so I'm going to go ahead and run this script without it. If yours has a 1, then that means that you have that full text search and you can enable it. And then the next thing is to open up the script inside the SQL Server Management and enable SQL command mode. And this is in the query menu. So you go to the query menu and you find SQL command mode. Now it's really hard to tell whether it's on or off. It has a yellow background. So if I click on it, and it has a yellow background in that on the icon, that left icon. See the difference? That little yellow icon, if I turn it off, it's just a toggle, so each time you click it, it either turns on and off. The hard part is just seeing whether it's on or not. So you want to make sure that that there's a yellow box around it, and that means it's on. That's important, so make sure you turn that on. And then copy this script into the install files. We've already done that. C samples AdventureWorks, and we've done that. By the way, if you want to put it somewhere else, you can put it in a different folder and then specify here where it is. But since we put it there, we're going to leave that just the way that it is. You can change the name of it here. If you want to change it to a different name, you can do that. So those are the options you have, and then you simply execute this script. This will take a while, so I'll pause. Now mine says that the query completed with errors, and if you scroll down, the errors that I've got are down a ways, and they are this relating to creating the catalog and indexes for that full text search. And so those are the errors that came up, and the component just can't be loaded. So I'm going to be okay with that error. And if I go over to the left side to my Object Explorer, I can refresh and open it up. And there's the AdventureWorks database.